Hi my people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing how to make potato chips. Yes, potato chips is another business idea you can pitch on. It's very lucrative. In yesterday's video I uploaded or I posted how to make plantain chips for commercial use. That plantain chip business, as I said yesterday, is very lucrative, just like this potato business. People underestimate this business or overlook it as if it's nothing. But with one sweet potato, you can make chips that is worth over 100 or 200 naira with just one moderate size potato. Talk more of when it's plenty. Unfortunately, this potato in the bag where they build it for me, some of them already got spoiled in the transit. So when you are making your potato chips, make sure you check for any potato that is soft or smells funny. Make sure you don't use something like that because it's going to spoil your potato chips. Softened potato tends to have a very weird smell which comes out so bad even when you boil or fry the potato. So do not use any potato that has weird smell or is softened, okay? If today is your first time of tuning to this channel, hey there, welcome to my channel. Feel free and do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will surely attend to that. Thank you. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for sticking to me, okay? Thank you. I really do appreciate. So after washing the potato, the next line of action is to peel the potato. You can use potato peeler or any kind of peeler of choice. But for me, I prefer using the knife. For me, the knife does the job best. It cuts, peels faster, remove any kind of grooves in the potato and so on, and is very efficient. Just make sure your knife is sharp and you are good to go. So make your choice. Do what you feel best or use the gadget that works best for you, okay? So after peeling the potato, the next line of action is to pat the potato dry and start slicing the potato. After patting it dry, slice the potato as thin as possible. You can use any kind of slicer for this job to do it. The truth is that all you need is a thin sliced potato chips. You don't want a thick potato because when the potato slices are thick, it's very possible that your potato chips will not be very crunchy and it will not be crispy. But when it's thinly sliced, you are sure to have a very crunchy and crispy potato chips. To get the best out of your potato chips, fry it batch by batch. Do not overcrowd the oil. Do not overcrowd the oil. Do not salt your potato before frying. It's very important. Do not salt your potato before frying. You can salt your potato after frying. That will be the best option and the best choice. Do not overcrowd your oil. You can add it the way I'm adding mine, or you can pour it. You just have to take your time to now separate them. Okay, so you decide on the color you want your potato chips to be. If you want it dark brown, is your choice. If you want it light brown, is also your choice. So decide on how you want your potato chips to taste. After frying it, immediately you are bringing it out from the oil. You can spice your potato chips. Here you decide on how you want your potato chips to taste like. If you want it to taste like garlic and salt, you are in charge. If you want your potato chips to just be normal potato chips, you are still in charge. So I hope this business idea of potato chips helps somebody do something about their side hustle next year by the grace of God. I hope this video helps, And please, if you have not subscribed and you like this video, do well to subscribe. If you are going to sell these potato chips, do well to package your potato chips very well. Packaging is very essential in business. I hope this helps. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.